Hey, Bo. So I thought it'd be easier just to maybe do a little walkthrough here than to um, try to do this any other way. So what I've got up here on the screen, this is your homework assignment over here on the right, and then I've just brought over the information into an Excel spreadsheet. So everything I have highlighted in pink are the things that are marked wrong in your homework, and I'm going to show you how to go through and correct them. So the first thing we have is the cash flows from operating activities. So you have the cash received from the customers, which is 45,008, which you had. You had that right. And then the cash paid to suppliers, which you had the amount right, but because it was paid out, it's a negative cash flow. So we're just going to go ahead and mark it as a negative, and that will change for you, because you actually did take the 45.8 and subtract the 16.8 to get 29,000. So you did that all right. You just have to show that as a negative. In the second section, the investing activities, the cash paid for new equipment, again, because it's paid out, it's a negative cash flow. So that's a negative 29,900. So you had 29,900, you just had it as a positive. And then our net cash used by investing activities, since that's the only investing activity, our net cash used is going to be a negative 29,900, or a reduction in our cash of 29,900. And so the next section, cash flows from financing activities, you had cash received from new equipment, but I don't see any cash received from new equipment here. And so actually the financing activity is going to be, let's see, cash received from lenders. And then the other one you had right, the cash dividends paid. So the cash received from lenders was 22,200. And the cash dividends paid was a negative 7,600. So I think mostly the principle that we're missing here is just that when cash is paid out, we show it as a negative. And then our cash provided from financing activities is going to be the 22,200 minus the 7,600 in dividends paid. So that's going to be 14,600. Our net increase to cash is just going to be the sum of the cash provided and the cash used by operating activities, the cash used by investing activities, and then the cash provided by financing activities. So it's going to be $13,700. We know our cash balance at 1/1, which you had 12,400. So our cash balance at the end of the period should just be what the cash balance at the beginning period was, plus any cash we increased during the period. And that's it. So mostly it was these negatives that were throwing you off. And then the cash received from lenders, you had put cash paid or cash received from new equipment, and there was no cash received from new equipment, just paid out. So hopefully that helps explain the problem. Anyway, if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to reach out, and I will do my best to help.